Wagwan now.
Jamaica.
Brown boss day.
Welcome to my channel, Brown Boss Jamaica Tours. Yes, my people, so I'm back with another update right now for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. So I'm going to review both the Westgate dual bridge and also the bridge at Sign Irwin, which will be the longest bridge in Jamaica upon completion. Alright guys, so right now I'm here at Westgate trying to give you an update right now of the construction of the dual bridge at this section here of the Montego Bay bypass. Yes guys, so things are moving pretty smoothly right now, and I'm pretty surprised as to the level of progress right now of this bridge. Look at the level of progress, my people. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and I'll also provide you guys with a drone footage alright in the video, so stay tuned for that part and ensure to watch the video in its entirety so that you can get all the updates. Alright my people, so yes guys, look at the progress right now here at Westgate of constructing this dual bridge. If you haven't subscribed as yet, now is the time to do so. Subscribe to my channel, Brown Boss Jamaica Tours, so that you can get all the updates as soon as I post them. And you can definitely check out my channel for the previous videos that I did on this project, and you can see, you know, the level of progress in a chronological order when I started to do updates on this area and also other sections of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. Yes guys, things are looking really good right now at this area of Westgate. And this project, or this side of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project, is called the Barney Street or West Green Avenue Road Rehabilitation section of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. So Barney Street improvement is the dualization of 1.06 kilometers of the existing two-lane road section from the intersection of West Green and Fairfield Road in a northerly direction and ending at Cottage Road. The proposed works will involve the construction of an additional two-lane bridge over the Montego Bay River in the vicinity of the Westgate Shopping Center. West Green Avenue improvement is the dualization of 0.82 kilometers existing link road between Howard Cook Boulevard and the Bogue Road at the Fairfield Road intersection. The construction will result in the removal of the existing roundabouts and the creation of a signalized intersection, construction of sidewalks, concrete median barrier, and drainage improvement. Alright, so now we're airborne right now, so I can give you a drone footage of this area so that you can see the Westgate Dual Bridge from an aerial perspective. Please note guys that it took me like 2 days to do this because the first day I came here, when I went home, the footage was very shaky. So I just had to delete it and use just a portion of it. Alright, and the second day things went a bit smoother, so luckily I got the job done. Alright guys, but my donation button is open right now, so you can check in the description below so that you can give your donations to help me get a a more advanced drone so that I can give you a better view of the area. All right, but for now, I can definitely work with this, and you can see, the work that is being done at this area. So let me know what you think about the overall progress right now, my people. Let me know what you think. Now, this would be the first day that I came here, so you can see how it looked, on the first day or day one of recording this video. I'll show you day two shortly so that you can see or spot the difference. All right, but day one I came a bit later, so you can see the glare from the sun in the camera. All right, but yeah, the workmen were actually leaving and going home, and the traffic wasn't so bad at Westgate. As you can see, it was moving freely. All right, so I'm gonna switch it now to day two so that you can see the bridge in its entirety. All right, so I'm gonna go up a little more so that you can see it. All right, guys, so this was done a bit earlier in the day. All right, you can see traffic was going by. Yeah, and as a Montegonian, or if you travel through Montego Bay, you can definitely attest to the level of traffic, especially at peak hours. It's crazy in the town. At Westgate, Freeport, all over Montego Bay, crazy level of traffic. So we welcome this bypass project right here in Montego Bay, as it will help to alleviate some of the traffic congestion. Even though, based on my opinion, I don't think that it will help with the traffic completely, because I think that there will be traffic still in the town, as motorists will still take the old road, as they want to stop in the town. All right, because persons are going in the town. But it will help to an extent, but it won't solve it 100%. All right, guys, but let me know what you think. Let's make this interactive as possible so we can have a discussion about this. But let me know your thoughts on the level of progress right now on the dual bridge right here in Westgate. As you can see, the foundation has been laid out, so it's just for the top portion to be added now to farm out the roadway. All right, so we can have both bridges side by side, helping with taking care of the traffic, or this traffic headache right in the town. It can start let's say about 7 a.m. in the morning, as kids are going to school, people are going to work. Yeah, it's crazy. And whenever it gets to like about 2:30 p.m. in the evening, when kids are coming from school and people are going home from work, yeah, that's when it even gets crazier. So yes, guys, let me know what you think. And if you had experienced this, in the past, please comment below about your experience being stuck in traffic, because persons can be stuck in traffic for hours. And I'm not exaggerating, guys. People can be stuck in traffic for hours. But let me know your thoughts on this topic of traffic congestion in the second city of Montego Bay. Now have a look at the Montego River, really majestic in its appearance, and this can be a very powerful body of water. Trust me guys. Alright, I'll show you more of the Westgate shopping center, starting from the Ruby's gas station. Back in the early 2000s, this area used to be very active. A lot of shopping areas were at this Westgate shopping center, but as the years progressed, the shopping center went down. Not sure what happened there guys, but yeah, it's not really active like back in the day. Alright, so I'll show you more of the Westgate shopping center. Just look at the flow of traffic right here in the town, so you can imagine when it's clogged up. And for the business place towards the left, the Cornwall Gardens, I've been notified that it will not be moved. The parking area will just be reduced to allow the flow of traffic to go through from the dual bridge.
Wagwan now. Wagwan. Yo, there is far no one.
Alright guys, thank you for staying with me up to this point. So right now I'm at Sign Irwin to give you an update of what is going to be known as the longest 4-lane bridge right here in Jamaica that will connect the Green Park area to the Fairfield side. Alright, so look at it now. As you can see, on one side, the handrail portion has been erected, almost going across. Yes guys, they're busy right now working on having this section completed. The other side is just a framework that they've put up, but this side, it's almost completed. And as mentioned by the Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Michael Holness, that this bridge is about 90% completed, and basically the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project is about 55% completed, and the completion date should be about May 2026. So that's when the proposed opening date of the Montego Bay bypass will be done. That's the updated completion date or opening date for this Montego Bay bypass. Yes guys, so an exciting exciting days ahead of us as we anxiously await the completion of this project. As you can see, I'm just walking through the detour road right now of traffic going to Sign Irwin and also other sections. Alright, so I'm gonna show you more of this bridge. Gonna give you a drone footage shortly, so stay tuned for that one and ensure that you watch the video in its entirety. Yes guys, so I have exciting news right now. I am now at 4,000 subscribers, And I must say a big thank you to all of my subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed us yet, it's never too late to be a part of this community, be a part of this family, so that we can stay, updated as to the progress here in Jamaica, and also see what Jamaica has to offer. All right, so ensure that you click that subscribe button right now, guys, to be a part of this Brown Boss Jamaica Tours movement. And now we are airborne again, people. So I'm gonna show you or reveal the longest bridge right now, the progress of this section of the longest bridge. So as I said before, guys, on one side they have almost completed the handrail section. All right, as you can see, they're working on it, and the other side is just a framework that is set up at the moment. Yeah, and they're also working on the road section. One of the workmen said that they're gonna work on 3 layers, and then they'll put on the asphalt. Yeah, guys, so I'll ensure that I get the update as soon as they are about to lay the asphalt on the bridge, which will be a sight to behold, I can imagine. Yes, guys, you can see the workmen busy there at work. It's late in the evening, but they're still working. As you can see, they're welding, the roadway there, or the framework to get the road layer added on top of it, and also casting the rail section of the bridge. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna show you a closer up look of the workmen on the bridge. Really something you can look forward to. I'm gonna see if I can ascend even higher so I can show you the bridge in its entirety to reveal this masterpiece right now, guys. As I said, this will be the longest 4-lane bridge here in Jamaica. Truly amazing that both the Chinese and Jamaicans were able to achieve this feat right here in Montego Bay, St. James. The government of Jamaica, through the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, MEGJC, entered a US $274 million design-build construction contract with China Harbour Engineering Company Limited, which is Czech, also known as the contractor for the execution of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. The executing agency of the project is the National Road Operating and Constructing Company Limited, which is NROC, on behalf of MEGJC. Major components of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project include a 15 kilometers Montego Bay bypass road from Ironshore to Bogue Road. The total length of the bridge will be approximately 200 meters long and 30 meters high. It is a two-way, four-lane continuous beam bridge. The bridge deck width is about 19.8 meters, including 48, 90-degree, 30 meters prefabricated T-beams. They are all prefabricated by post-tensioning method. There are 96 supports in the whole bridge, all of which are HDR pod type supports. The T-beams are 2 meters high and the maximum beam weighs about 86 tons. I must give a big kudos to both the Jamaicans and the Chinese who are working assiduously to get this bridge and the entire bypass, the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, into a reality. Yes, guys, it's looking more feasible at the moment, and I do believe that they can make the May 2026 completion date based on how everything is progressing so far. You know, the workmen are very happy working on this, you know, and it is something that they can tell the next generation that they actually contributed to making this project into a reality, or they would have built the bridge, the longest bridge in Jamaica. So yes guys, look at this, truly amazing right now. Everybody's just working together, and they should be like completed. Well, that side of the rail right now, the bridge should be completed. All right, they're having the finishing touches being done, and then they'll start on the other side. Yes, my people, let me know what you think about the overall progress of the longest bridge right here in Montego Bay, St. James.